deep in the mountain. In an area with few people and free from doxing. Today's creatures are living. The creatures are called green screen kids. Green screen kids, they are the predators of the digital world. All videos in the digital food chain are their prey. The leader of the group has just found today's target. Today, an old lady fell prey to the green screen kid. And angry screams beautifully resonate from afar. And soon, the worship time has come. Today is Skibbity God's birthday anniversary. The green screen kids, gathered at the statue, open the Skibbity Bible and sing reverently. They are singing this song so that the video they stole can go viral. And finally, Skibbity God answered the prayer. A video of the creature went viral. The creature got so excited and he left the dox-free zone on his own. And soon, he became prey to an angry old creature hiding in the bush. Time passed and morning greets the green screen kids. The creatures lost their leader yesterday. But that's not a big deal for them. Because in the basement, 69 spare green screen kids are already ready to fill the position. And for them, it's time to steal another video. Join my Discord, link in the description.
What the hell?